What's up, guys? Welcome back to Rock Bucket Motoring. So I found something that is definitely something that everybody should know. I bought a Wolo Bad Boy Horn for the Road Glide here because I had some idiot from Florida cut us off in traffic. Granted, I don't have a full exhaust system on this bike. I just have the Bassani slip-on muffler. If you want, you can check right here and yeah, watch the install video on that. Especially I guess it was interesting when I had to clearance it with a hammer for the axle nut. But back to this Wolo Bad Boy Horn from Karaoke. Their directions are wrong for a Rushmore bike. In their directions it says, you know, connect the yellow wire from the motorcycle to the yellow wire in the harness. Rushmore bikes don't have a yellow wire going to the horn. So, you know, this doesn't cover, you know, old Ultra Limiteds. It doesn't cover Dynas. I'm talking, this is strictly for the Rushmore bikes that have a red and black wire coming down from the harness. Obviously, this is a horn that draws enough power. You can't wire it directly to the switch, contrary to some other YouTube videos I've seen that say just plug it in where the horn plugs in. You will absolutely burn this switch out. This whole switch pack is one piece. It's not old, you know, separate switches like it is on the old bike. Yeah, over $200 to replace that switch pack. I didn't do it. I know that because the clutch switch went out on my 15 Ultra Limited, so that's how I know how much that is. But yeah, this is relayed for a reason. It has to go to the battery and then come back to the horn. So let's get down here and I'll show you exactly what wires to hook to what, so y'all don't have to sit around with a voltmeter and do all the crazy crap that I had to do, because Karaoke's directions are garbage. I like Karaoke products, don't get me wrong. I put these passenger highway pegs on for Jan, and she absolutely loves them. Karaoke makes good stuff. It's just their directions on this horn don't cover the Rushmore bike. Alright, so now we're down here. Maybe turn on some light so we could see. Switch them to white. No, it don't really help. Well, let's turn them back to teal to match the bike and shut them off. Actually, no, we're going to leave them on so I don't forget to shut them off and drain my battery again. We'll grab the old cell phone and turn the flashlight on because I didn't bring a light out with me. So as you can see, per the instructions from the Karaoke wiring harness, there is a white and a yellow. And from the Harley Davidson motorcycle right here, you can see that there is a red and a black. So, guys, pretty easy. Put your red from the stock harness into the yellow for the relay. And then plug the white into the horn, black from your bike harness, and everything's covered. Everything works great. Karaoke got it wrong on this one, but fortunately, we all have YouTube, and nobody's fucking shown this yet. So, if this helps you out, please consider, tapping that like button, because, yeah, this is some simple stuff that needs to be in the directions, and yeah, Karaoke didn't do it. Take 17. So there you have it, guys. Karaoke's instructions are wrong. White wire to black wire, red wire to yellow wire. It's pretty simple, guys. And yeah, it works. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. You could tap the bell notification to know when we upload, but it's so few and far between anymore because, well, life happens. And for the tens of you that still watch, we'll see y'all next time.